everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1957 Chevy Bel Air hardtop. Of course, you know 57 Bel Air was a true iconic vehicle of the classic car world. This one we have here featuring a two-tone red and white combination. Of course, you know red with the white top always looks good on it. As you can see, we also have the white wall style tires, old school Bel Air hubcaps with the spinner caps also, as well, as you can see. Other than that, just the design of this car is very perfect. Even the fact that you have that nice little trim coming down the sides of the vehicle, making it really cool in its own way. Anyways, move on to the inside. As you can see, it is an automatic on the column. Very nice indeed. Of course, you can see we have that nice little red, and I want to see even a darker red combination to the bench seat there. Very nice to fit 3 people instead of 2 in the front. As for the back, you can see you also have the same material, very well in good shape. Our dash is painted the same red as the rest of the car. Still having that old school big Bel Air steering wheel on it. Of course, you can see back then you only had 3 simple gauges. You had your temperature, speedometer, and gas gauge. However, 3 gauges were added on the lower left of the dash to make it more accurate. Other than that, looking across the dash, you can see we still have the old school AM radio, built-in dash clock. Of course, you can see also on the bottom they have added vintage air vents to it. Also a very nice touch, especially since back then AC wasn't really a thing. The only real dependable version of AC were the vent windows, which are very nice. All you have to do is unlock, crank, and you've got fresh air coming straight through. But other than that, of course, you know, window cranks are here. You got the old-fashioned window crank for the vent window. Old school, very nice on the armrest. You're still in very good condition. But anyway, going underneath the hood, featuring a small block crate motor, as you can see. Has had a lot of chrome added to it, especially with the chrome intake. You got the very nice aluminum radiator to make it nice and cool. And of course, as I said before, you also have vintage air, so that's really nice touch of all. But other than that, this is a true collector's piece. Very nice little driver right now. As you can see, we're cruising at a good altitude, about 50-55. And yeah, that's about it. But I think as for now, though, I think this time we turn it around and get it up on the lift. So if you have a moment, folks, just stay tuned with us to see the underneath.